stuff. Another lovely day out here in Australia. Today we're going to have a quick look at the Ego edging attachment. I like to use it as opposed to using the whippersnipper end. You can see it's got the blade on this side, an adjustable wheel so you can make your height up or like higher or lower for cutting. Same as the other attachments, quite easy to fit on. Again, this is the power head. There you go, so press it down, take that one off. We'll just slide this one straight on. As you can see, there's an arrow with a little cutout and a red line, and you've got your little arrow here, so you just slide it in and it locks in place. So I'll just give you a quick rundown on how this one works, just over here on the edge. As I said, people do use their whippersnippers and the whippersnipper end to do it, the trimmer end. I prefer just to go like this. And as you can see, it does give you a good cut. Pull those couple of extra long pieces off. Gives you a nice straight cut. So that's the Ego edging attachment that goes with the power head. Not a bad bit of kit. Cheers and thanks for watching.